I'm Malik Achamalak. So today we will be solving Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics 0580 paper 4 chapter 14 function. And before we start, I want to say that revenue generated in the first 6 months will be sent to Palestine, inshallah. So please support our cause. Question number 14. Question number 14 has been taken from 0580 October November 2020. Question 10. Part A. Find FH2. Okay, so first I will find h over 2, which will be 3 over 2, and h over 2 will be equal to 9, and then I will put 9 in the f function. So f into 9, 4 minus 3, 9, which will give us answer minus 23. So f into h over 2 is equal to minus 23. This is our answer. Let's move to next part. Okay, find inverse of function f. Okay, so 4 minus 3x. First I will make x separately. So y minus 4 is equal to minus 3x, and minus y plus 4 divided by 3 into x. Now I will replace y with x and x with fx. So the answer will be 4 minus x over 3 into f inverse of x. So our answer is 4 minus x over 3. Let's move to C, part C. Okay, in function f we have to put this value 1 minus 2x. So 4 minus 3x is f is equal to x. So f1 minus 2x will be equal to 4 minus 3, 1 minus 2x will be equal to 4 minus 3 minus minus plus 6x, and this will be 6x plus 1. This is our answer. Okay, see part 2. So g of x is equal to x square plus x. So we will put fx in g of x. So 4 minus 3x square plus 4 minus 3x and minus 9x square plus x. Now we will simplify these equations. We will first open up this bracket, which will give us 16 minus 24x minus plus 9x square plus 4 minus 3x minus 9x square minus 9x plus 9x square and minus 9x square will cancel out. 16 plus 4 will give us 20, and minus 24 minus 3 and minus 9 will give us minus 36x. Now we can take 4 common. By taking 4 common, the answer will be 5 minus 9x. This is our answer. Let's move to part D. Find the value of k. Okay, so 3 over x. Okay, so hx is equal to 3 over x. Okay, so 1 over 3 over x into 9kx. Okay, so we will take 3 power x to this side, so it will multiply with 9 power kx, and if we take 9 power kx to the left, it will be 1 upon 9 power kx is equal to 3 power x. Now we will reciprocal this, so this will become 9 minus kx is equal to 3x, and 9 is the 3 power square, so 3 power square minus kx is equal to 3 power x. Now let's simplify this. So 3 minus 2 kx is equal to 3 power x. Now as the base of these both are equal, so minus 2kx is equal to x. Now minus 2k is equal to 1, and k value will be 1 divided by minus 2. This is our answer, minus half. Let's move to question 15. This question has been taken from 058041 May June 2021, question 12. So find function f minus fx. Okay, so we will put minus 5 in x. So this will give minus 5, 3 plus 10, which will give us 30. This is our answer. Okay, find f of x. So fx is 3 minus 2x and fx is 3 minus 2x. Okay, so we will put this equation in this x. So this will give us f of x. So 3 minus 2, now 3 minus 2x over here. Now we will simplify this. 3 minus 6 minus 4x, and this will give us 4x minus 3, our answer. Okay, part C. Solve g of x is equal to fx plus 37. Okay, g of x is x squared plus 5. So x squared plus 5, fx is 3 minus 2x. So 3 minus 2x plus 37. So x squared minus 2x plus 5 minus 40 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now we will simplify this. X square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. Take x common from this side. X minus 7, take 5 common. X minus 7. So x minus 7, x plus 5, and we got two value of x. One value is 7 and the second value is minus 5. 7 minus 5. Okay, part D. Find inverse of fx. So fx is 3 minus 2x. Okay, so y is equal to 3 minus 2x. We will make x the subject, so y minus 3 is equal to minus 2x. Now 3 minus y divided by 2 is equal to x. Now we will replace x with fx and replace replace x with f inverse and replace y with x. So f inverse of x will be equal to 3 minus x over 2. This is our answer. Okay, part E. H of x plus g function gx gives your answer in its simplest form. Okay, so hx is x power 3, hx is x power 3, g of x is x squared plus 5, x squared plus 5. Okay, now the function fx is this. Okay, so we will put function fx in hx. So 3 minus 2x power 3 plus g of x, which is x square plus 5. Now we will open up this bracket by binomial. So 3c power 0, not 3 power 3 minus 2x power 0 plus 3c1 3 power 2 minus 2x plus 3c2 3 power 1 minus 2x square plus 3c3 3 power 0 minus 2x power 3 plus x square plus 5. Now we will solve this in calculator and we will get answer 27 minus 54x plus 36x square minus 8x cube plus x square plus 5. Now we'll simplify this. 36 plus 1, 37, and 27 plus 5. which will give us 32. So 32 minus 54x or x plus 37x square minus 8x cubed. So this is our answer. Okay, let's move to next question. Question number 16. This question has been taken from 058043 May June 2021. Question 7. Okay, write down part A. Write down the equity in x shown by the number line. Okay, so this is the circle. It is not filled, so mean this is not included. The circle is shaded, which means that 1 is included. So we will write minus 2. Inequality will be minus 2 x into 1. Our answer. B part 1. Write x square plus 4x plus 1 in the form of bracket x plus p bracket close square plus cube. Okay, so we know that x plus 2 square is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. So if in this equation we can add plus 4 and minus 4 and plus 1, because plus 4 and minus 4 will be equal to 0, so we can do this. So we know that x square plus 4x plus 4 will be equal to x plus 2 square, and minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So p value will be equal to 2 and q value will be equal to minus 3. Answer. Next part, use your answer to part B I to solve the equation x square by 4x plus 1. Okay, so we know that x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to bracket x plus 2 square minus 3. So instead of this we can write this. So x plus 2 square minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 2 bracket square 3. Now we will take under root on both sides, so this will become x plus 2 plus minus under root 3, then x plus 2 plus under root 3 and x plus 2 minus under root 3. Now we will substitute x. So under root 3 minus 2, this is our first answer, and the second answer is minus 2 minus under root 3. Now we will solve this in calculator. So we will get first value of x is minus 3.73 and the second value is minus 0.268. Okay, let's move to this part. Use your answer to B part 1 to write down the coordinate of the minimum point on the graph of y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, so this is easy. Okay, so we know that y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2 square minus 3. Okay, so the minimum point are this and this. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x coordinate for the minimum point are minus 2 and the y coordinate is minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3. Okay, let's move to this part. On the diagram, sketch the graph of y plus 4x plus 1. Okay, so we know the minimum point, which is minus 2 and minus 3. For example, here is minus 2 and over here is minus 3. So this will be our point for the minimum, and something like this will be our graph. Okay, now question number 17 have been taken from 058043 May June 2021. Question 10. Fx is this, g of x is h j over x is this. Okay, we need to find function f2. Okay, so this is easy. Instead of x we will put 2. This will give us answer 4, and same goes with g of x, 5 2 minus 7, which will give us answer 3. Then okay, so in x we will put 4 because function f2 is equal to 4. So 4 minus 7, which is 20. 20 minus 7 is equal to 30. Okay, now we need to find f inverse of x. So y is equal to 3x minus 2. Let's make x the subject Now we will replace y with x, f inverse of x, our answer. Okay, so I did make one mistake. This will be y plus 2 because over here is minus 2, then moving to the left side it will be plus 2. Okay, find h fx gives your answer in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so x square plus x is the x square plus x, and fx is equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, so 3x minus 2 square plus 3x minus 2. If we simplify this, 9x square minus 12x minus plus 4 plus 3x minus 2, 9x square minus 9x plus 2. So this is our answer. Okay, find the derivative of hx. Okay, so again this is easy. So h of x is equal to x square plus x, and we need to find dy by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to 2x plus 1. Our answer. Okay, find x when j inverse of x is equal to 4. Okay, first we should find j inverse of x. So j is equal to 3 power x. Three power x, so value of the 3 power x, we will take ln log, so ln 3 power x. Now x will be equal to ln y ln 3. We will replace x with f inverse j inverse of x. J inverse of x is equal to ln x over ln 3. Okay, so j inverse of x equal to 4. So 4 is equal to ln x divided by ln 3, and if we take ln 3 to the left side, it will multiply with the 4. So ln 3 into ln x. So 4 will become power of 3 ln x. Now we will apply e. So e ln 3 power 4 e ln over x. So we know e ln is equal, so this will cancel out, so this will become 3 power 4 is equal to x, and x value will be 81. X is 81. Okay, so simplify g inverse gx. Okay, so g inverse of x, we find this. So in the x value we need to put g of x. Okay, so g inverse of jx will be equal to ln 3 power x ln 3. Now x multiplied by ln 3 divided by ln 3, so this will cancel out. So we know that j inverse of jx will be equal to x. Okay, question number 18 has been taken from 05804 October 2021. Question 8. So function fx is equal to 3 minus fx. Find x when fx is equal to minus 5. Okay, so 3 minus fx is equal to minus 5. So minus fx is equal to 8, and x value will be 8 over 5, which will give us answer 1.6. So this is our answer. Okay, find inverse of x. So y is equal to 3 minus 5x. So we'll make x the subject. So y minus 3 to minus 5x. So 3 minus y divided by 5 is equal to x. And now we will replace it. 3 minus x over 5 is equal to f inverse of x. So this is our answer. Okay, function part B, g of x is equal to 18 minus 3x minus x square. Write g of x in the form of b minus bracket a plus x square. Okay, so first I'm taking minus common in this equation, so this will become x square plus 3x minus 18. Okay, so as we know that any bracket, for example like this, is equal to x square, so you should not write this in the exam. I'm writing this to explain you guys. So 2a is x and b 2 plus b square. Okay, so as x square plus 3x, so we from x square we know the value a will be x, because over here it is x square. So we know that a will be equal to x, but we don't know what will be the value of b. And we also know that 2ab will be equal to 3x. So we can find the value of b from this, so it will be 3 over 2. So now we can write, so b value was 3 over 2 and b square is 9 over 4. So if I plus minus 9 over 4 in this equation, plus 9 over 4 minus 9 over 4 minus 18, so we can write that x plus 3 over 2 square will be equal to minus 81 over 4. Okay, so now we will multiply this with this minus, so this will become 81 over 4 minus x plus 3 over 2 square. So b value is 81 over 4 and a is 3 over 2. So 81 over 4 is equal to 20.25 and 3 over 2 is equal to 1.5. Okay, sketch the graph of y is equal to g of x. On your sketch, show the coordinate of the turning point. Okay, so from this equation we know that the turning point will be minus 3 over 2 comma 81 over 4. So this is minus 1.5 and 20.25. For example, over here it is 20.25. So graph will be something like this. Okay, next part. Find the equation of the tangent to the graph y is equal to 18 minus 3x minus x square at x is equal to 4. Okay, give your answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, we need to find equation of tangent. Okay, now first we can find the gradient of the tangent. As we know that this equation is intercepting with the equation of tangent, so first we will do dy by dx to this equation. So answer will be minus 2x minus 3. So now we will put x is equal to 4 in this equation. So minus 2 plus 4 minus 3. So this will give us minus 8 minus 3 and minus 11. Okay, this is our gradient. And we can find the coordinate by putting x is equal to 4 in this equation. So 18 minus 3, 4 minus 4 power square, so y will be equal to 18 minus 3 power 4 minus 4 square, y will be equal to minus 10. Okay, now we will choose the formula for the line of equation, which is y minus y1, which is minus 10, m, which is minus 11, and x minus x1, which is 4, minus 4. So y plus 10, this is 10 minus 11x minus plus 44. So y will be equal to minus 11x plus 44 minus 10 will be equal to 34. So this is our answer. Right, so minus 11x plus 34. Okay, question number 19 has been taken from 058043 October November 2021. Question number 9. Fx is equal to x multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2. Part A, find the coordinate of the point where the graph of y is equal to fx cross the x-axis. Okay, so cross the x-axis means y will be equal to 0. So 0, x minus 1 and x minus 2. So one value will be x is equal to 0, another value will be x equal to 1, another value will be x is equal to 2. So y is always 0, 1 is 0, 0, 1, 0 and 2, 0. Part B, show that fx is equal to x cube minus 3x squared plus 2x. Okay, so we will open up this bracket. So it's x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so x squared minus x multiplied by x minus 2, x cube minus 2x square minus x square minus plus 2x. This will be equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So this is our answer. Find the coordinate of the turning point of the graph y is equal to fx. Show all your working, gives your answer correct to one decimal place. Okay, so we know that fx is equal to this. So fx x cube minus 3x square plus 2x, and we also know that at turning point dy by dx is equal to 0. So if we find dy by dx of this equation, it will be 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Okay, now dy by dx at turning point is 0, so 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Now we will solve this with formula. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 2. Then we will put formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this will first value of x will be, we will solve in calculator, 0.4, and the second value of x will be 1.6. Why there are two values? Because this is plus minus. Okay, now we will put these values, these both value in this equation, so we can get the coordinate of y. So by putting 0.4 cube minus 3, 0.4 square plus 2 into 0.4. Now we will solve this, and we will solve this in calculator, and we will get y is equal to 0.4. So one coordinate of turning point is 0.4 and 0.4, and the second coordinate will be I'm putting directly 1.6 in the equation, and the y value will be minus 0.4. So 1.6 minus 0.4. Okay, sketch the graph of y is equal to fx. Okay, so we know this will be local maximum, and this will be local minimum. So the graph will be something like this. Okay, thank you.